This is a gorgeous floral and clear TPU case with a screen protector and lens protectors that you don't have to install for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I was sent this to review from Gviewin, so let me show you a closer look. You've got your lens protectors, one screen protector, and the insulation package. So you can install those if you want. I'm not going to. We're just gonna be going over this gorgeous, gorgeous case. It looks like a painting. It feels more like a sticker. You can feel it because this is the kind of the grippier TPU feeling, and then this is a smooth, and you can feel where that's been added on top. On the inside, it's just that clear TPU feeling. Firm TPU bumpers and a firm PC back. It's very hard to show, but there are micro dots on the bumper on the inside. The outside is just really smooth. You've got 4 corner airbags for cushioning and shock protection. Gonna protect from scratches, from drops, you name it. We'll go ahead and pop a phone in there. A perfectly snug fit, and remember, this is totally clear, so it's gonna showcase the color of the phone you got. You've got a nice bezel to protect your lenses in there. Very nice, without adding much bulk. And then on the screen, you have a great bezel all the way around 360 degrees, and that is a clear bezel. So just a gorgeous look, very protective. And don't forget, you do have the screen protector and the lens protectors if you choose to install them. That'll be super easy. This is not a magnetic case, so it's not gonna be able to do magnetic mounting. The port down here is open, your S Pen slot is open, easy access. Buttons are covered and clicky. A nice grip, not slippery, not tacky or anything, but it is that kind of standard grippy TPU frame. A really nice feel, very thin, just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. If you're looking for a beautiful piece of art, literally, to protect your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, this is a great one from Gviewin. I love it, and I know you will too.